Yep.
I like a lot of sauce, y'all.
Like the saucy.
Real, real saucy. So,
Too much sauce.
hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking My Way with your girl Nicola. That's right, as you can tell by the title, it is Shrimp Alfredo with spinach. So, without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get started, okay? I'm gonna season my water with some olive oil and some salt. Okay? I turned the stove on, I'm gonna get it going. So,
Trivia question, y'all.
trivia question, okay?
From the Himalayas. Who that come from?
Ooh, from the Himalaya. I'm the player from the Himalaya.
I'm the player from the Himalayas.
Old school people know, like
You gotta be in the 90s.
the 80s and the
80s and 90s.
Y'all know just who we talking
I
about.
don't know. Some millennial babies may know.
So yeah, if you do, just comment down below. So I got some shrimp here, deveined and shelled and deveined. No tail on. It's already, the work already been done. So I'm gonna get these out, and I should try to pat them dry, which I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So I already pat dry these. I already patted these dry. So I got some Old Bay seasoned blackened. I put that, and I'm put some original Old Bay seasoning too. And I'm gonna add some garlic salt. Garlic powder. That much. Give it a stir and let it sit for a little bit before I get that on the stove. Make sure everybody in here got the little seasoning on them. And always remember to put what you like. Season to your liking, to your family liking. Put what you like on there. My water's boiling. I wanted my water to boil. Putting in a box of fettuccine by Barilla. Keep an eye on that because it'll cook fast. And put a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna put that much butter, and I'm gonna turn my stove down. Turn my stove down, but I don't want to cook too fast. Excuse me. And put a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna put that much butter, and I'm gonna turn my stove down. Turn my stove down, but I don't want to cook too fast. Excuse me. Just start off with my shrimp, and you cook them until they pink, 1 or 2 minutes, Up to 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So make sure they all down. Make room, back up, get over. Move to the side. Flipping them over. How do you know which ones you flip? I don't know, you just know. You just know. Just add a little bit of basil. Pesto, I'm sorry guys. And I'm gonna add, oh, we got Butterfingers. I'm gonna add some fresh garlic. Just want to get it off the spoon, you know? So let that cook for a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes.
Dad?
Yes?
Something's weird. Look all I'm playing.
I ain't cooking fast, y'all. I'm cooking slow. Because I don't want to burn nothing. I don't want to take my time. So I'm going to put some sherry cooking wine. About that much. And I'm going to let that simmer for a few minutes. Okay? Let all the flavors just, you know, get acquainted with one another. Add a little bit of accent. I'm gonna add the salt last. Okay. Some spinach. Two hands full of spinach. So that spinach needs some seasoning. I heard that. I'm gonna put some Himalaya on it. Some salt. And some black pepper. So I got some roasted garlic parmesan by Ragu. Yes, I could make my own, but I had this on hand, so. And I got some regular Alfredo. Ooh, thank you.
The black pepper.
Great day. Excuse me, y'all. That was a hard sneeze that second round.
Yep.
I like a lot of sauce, y'all.
Like a sauce.
Real, real saucy. So,
Too much sauce.
I'm gonna take a little bit of this sherry wine. Let's do that. Instead of water. I mean, I could use chicken stock, but I just didn't. So just shake it up, get all that extra stuff out of there. Pour it into your other jar and do the same thing. Shake that up too. See? And you get the rest of it out. Wow. Just added some Parmesan cheese to kind of thicken it up, y'all. I don't have no fresh Parmesan, so I'm using Kraft grated 3 cheese blend. And I'm getting ready to add my noodles. full of water. Well, obviously. But I didn't get to drain it, yeah. Alright. And I added my noodles. I like for the sauce to be real creamy. Alright, we're gonna let that simmer for a few minutes and then we're gonna get ready and eat. We're gonna do a mukbang for y'all. Okay? So that's dinner. Okay? Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Yeah, that's dinner. So we didn't cook a whole lot. That's just all I was cooking. See y'all in the next video. We love y'all. Bye.